Uh, Today, the automobile industry, and same for Wipro, the IT industry is going through a lot of disruptions. AI is the biggest disruption, and in EVs, the technology is a major issue. Nobody knows where we will finally go. You've often said that this is a moment of reckoning for the automobile industry. The battle is between the established mainstream auto players and how they embrace the new technology and the startups, or upstarts, as you call them. So who's winning, and what's going to define who wins this battle? And who lasts for the next 75 years?
So there are three terminologies here. There is startup, then there is a word which I like to call most of them, which is upstart, and then us, the winners or the champions, right? So I must explain what is the difference in my mind between a startup and an upstart. In my mind, startups are those who have a build strategy. They build technology, they build brands, they build products, they build consumer experiences, they build employee satisfaction, they build a strong top line, but they also build a strong bottom line. Upstarts are those who don't have a build strategy, they have a burn strategy. They burn technology, i.e. their batteries, they burn brands by reducing price every month, they burn products in their factory, in the truck, at the dealership, on the road. They burn employee relationships with 50% attrition. They burn consumer relationship with poor service. This is burn strategy. So this is upstart versus startup. Now, as far as startups and champions are concerned, they are the same actually. The only difference between a company like Wipro and Bajaj or a so-called startup is that we are startups with a story, because we've been around for long enough to have built a story. I just told you a little bit about my story. Rishad just told you a little bit about Wipro's story. So a legacy company, I mean, they try to imply that legacy means old, you know. And the point is...
Sounds very good, does it, Rishad?
No, but there are some startups which are also not born yesterday. They are 5, 10, 15, 20 years old themselves. तो ठीक है यार, हम लोग बुजुर्ग हो गए, लेकिन तुम्हारा बचपन कब तक चलेगा, you know? So you can't keep calling yourself a startup forever. So a legacy company is nothing but a startup with a story. And frankly, the best of both worlds happens when companies like ours dedicate 10 to 20% of their resources, in my opinion, to have a startup within itself. The Freedom CNG motorcycle, the Chetak electric scooter, the e-three-wheeler, electric three-wheeler we are making, this is nothing but a startup within the legacy company, and this is how you carry your company from your present activities into the future. So that's my definition of upstart, startup and champions. But if you give me another 30 seconds, I want to share with you what Piyush Bhai once told me in this regard, because these startup wale are very kind of intimidating because they are from the IITs and the IIMs and all that. हम लोग तो ऐसे मतलब backyard में पड़े हुए लोग हैं.
And they say that they put ice cubes in their water to drink.
Yeah, like we have oats for breakfast, but that's a different story. But I will share with you a quote that Piyush Bhai told me in this regard, and this is what I would like to say to these upstarts. And the quote is like this: फर्क बहुत है आपके और हमारे तालीम में. फर्क बहुत है आपके और हमारे तालीम में. आपने उस्तादों से सीखा है, हमने हालातों से.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it.
For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.